Hi everyone! So I have a big announcement. First of all, thank you sa lahat ng mga nagsusupport sa page na ito. Kahit na financially wala akong nakukuha dito, but yung happiness ko to share some help or just a simple help para sa ating mga kapwa Pinoy na gusto magkaroon ng tips or ideas paano mamuhay dito sa ibang bansa as a teacher or some adventure in my life na sinishare ko sa page na ito. And 3 years na ako sa July. I'm really emotional. Kasi sa tiro ng buhay ko na nasa DepEd ako, I wasn't able to make or publish my own book. So now, I'm so grateful with the help of some church members and from my own experience in life na hindi ako nagsisi sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko sa buhay. I don't have any regrets with all my struggles, challenges that I've been through in my life because everything, all stories that was happened in my life has a purpose, and that purpose came into this. So I was able to publish a book. This is my book, and that's me. Ayan, so nakapublish na ako ng, at least parang siyang pocket book lang kasi hindi naman siya makapal. So, the title of this is Still I Rise, A Testimony of Faith and Fire. So I was able to do this because I was so inspired to share my story. So this is like the summary of all the things that was happening in my life from the time that I was a kid and the time na I grew up and now that I'm here. There's a part 2. May part 2 pa nito. This is only the part 1, but I'm making the part 2 for another episodes of my story. So I hope that you will support me to buy this one. It's already in Amazon. I'm sharing the link on the description. So please support me to spread my story and sana maka-inspire ako ng maraming tao. And through this, it's not religion. It is about inspiring through relationship. With whatever kinds of life or status that we have in our life, we have our own story. This is a part of my life and I hope you're gonna support me. So all earnings, hindi po mapupunta sa akin. I'm gonna support it for the ministry. Sa yung mga earnings po nito. And I hope that you will share and support me to spread it, and please buy and read my story. Kahit na simple lang yung story ko dito, but I know full of experiences to inspire other people. Thank you so much, and I love you guys for always being there, and thank you for not judging me, and thank you for being there to support me. And God knows also the desires of your heart. He will give everything that you desire according to your faith. Thank you guys. Bye. God bless.